Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a circle split transitions to your edits in the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already on the CapCut PC and add two clips that I want to edit. And what you need to do next is just head to the transitions at the top. Then click on this drop down and find the split category. Okay, so in the split category, just find the circle split to apply to your clip. Let's see it. Okay, so this one's right here, this circular slice. So just download it first, then click on the plus icon to add it to your clip. So the preview will go like this. You can adjust the durations of the transition to how you like it in here. And if you have more than two clips like this, you can click on apply to all to apply the transition for the whole edit. So this is the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.